bit windy, calm seas, very nice. Well, today we have a proper look at the Bronco, the OV Bronco, and take it for a flight here on a sunny day on the beach. The tide is just about to come in, and so we'll get it up in the air, try a couple of camera angles, both ground and in the air, remembering that I don't want to break another propeller on it. But at least it's all ready to go again, so let's take it for a flight. As I say, it's a bit windy. And the crosswind there is not helping much, so we won't get much of a flight in today, I don't think. Keeping it well away from that water. See, she's very wobbly in the air, very wobbly. Comes a helicopter. Well, at least we got it down. You'll see how heavy it drops down because of the wind that's buffeting it. Never mind, we've done it. That's the main thing. Just a quick flight with the top camera on, just behind the cockpit.
Motors armed.
Okay, this time it'll be a side camera view. Make sure and check everything's okay there. Yep. She goes in the round. I'm concentrating, so I'm not talking too much. Bring it around this way, so I'm not towards the sea. You're down. Oh boy, that wind right there at that gap where you come into the beach is strong wind coming through there. So it's a massive crosswind. The final one we'll do a reverse and see how that goes. Reverse on the camera towards the tail. I cannot put it up there, it's just too temperamental and it would be tail heavy even if you move the battery forward. I'm just not willing to take the chance on it. I'd love to do it, but you've seen it with the ground shots, which is the main thing, what it looks like. But the small aircraft, you really can't put it on the tail, it's just too heavy. Same route again, straight up over the beach dunes. That wind was lighter, it'd be fantastic flying, but it'll be throwing you all over the place, so you might need your seasick tablets. Okay, back we go. Well, at least we got it down. You see how heavy it drops down because of the wind that's buffeting it. Never mind, we've done it. That's the main thing. So thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye now.